So with profound respect for our legal heritage and optimistic anticipation for the future, I address the transformative role of Gen AI in our justice system today. So as we navigate through the pivotal digital transformation era, the integration of Gen AI into the justice system presenting a new chapter of efficiency, inclusivity and fairness. So the journey through the service process of the justice system, from case initiation to rehabilitation and reintegration, underscore a complex interplay of human judgment, procedural rigor and the quest for justice. So during each phase, like preliminary hearings, discovery, trial proceedings or sentencing is foundational, reflecting our commitment to uphold the law and ensuring justice. So the advent of Gen AI in this landscape is not merely evolutionary, it's revolutionary. So Gen AI promises to enhance legal research and analysis, offering unprecedented speed and depth in reviewing case laws, statutes, and legal documentation. So this capability can transform how legal practitioners prepare for cases, ensuring that no critical precedent or legal argument is overlooked. So moreover, Gen AI's predictive models for case outcomes or judicial decision making hold the potential to bring a new level of sophistication to legal strategy and court administration. So by analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, these models can assist in making more informed and equitable decisions. However, integrating Gen AI into the justice system has its challenges. So issue of data privacy, algorithm bias and ethical considerations are very big. So ensuring Gen AI applications respect individual rights and embody fairness is paramount. So we must treat carefully, balancing the benefit of technology with the imperative of justice and ethical responsibilities. The segment of users within the justice system, from judges and lawyers to law enforcement officers and defendants, stand to benefit significantly from Gen AI. For legal practitioners, Gen AI can streamline case management and automate routine tasks, which allow them to focus on legal strategies and advocacy nuisance. So Gen AI could offer more transparent and understandable legal processes for defendants and accused individuals, potentially democratizing access to legal information and assistance. So as we look to the future, the role of Gen AI in the justice system will undoubtedly grow. Its application in legal research, evidence analysis, decision making, administrative efficiency will continue to evolve, offering new tools to enhance the service process of the justice system. So in embracing Gen AI, we must be committed to justice, equity and the rule of law. We must ensure that technology serves the public good, enhancing the fairness and accessibility of the justice system while respecting the dignity and right of all individuals. The transformation of justice system through Gen AI is not merely a technological journey but a moral one. It beckons us to reimagine the possibilities of justice in the digital age, to harness the power of technology in service of our highest ideals. So as we embark on this journey, let us proceed with wisdom, caution and unwavering commitment to justice for all. Thank you.